Back again. Yo, Aquaponics pond. Just sit out here in my chair. Got bird bath. It's flowing. Birds love that thing. Some overflow goes in the little bread basket there. Now there's 30-watt pump in the garage, pumping under the yard to that. There's a copper bucket filled with grow rocks with a pump. That's a biofilter, and that pumps to a T. One half of the T goes up to there. The other half of the T, it actually is coming out right here. I'll show you out of this little faucet. Goes into this brass cup, and it flows down and over and around. And then you've got about a 1/4 inch, probably 3/8 of an inch deep little puddle on top of the aquarium here, because this is a flipped upside down aquarium. The water's running down the front there. But yeah, and I suck the air out with the vacuum pump, and the fish can swim all the way through that aquarium, and they do. They're just not right now. They're camera shy, I guess. But yeah, usually they're all swimming up top. You can see them. And there's Alligator Island. That's my island. It's like 2 square feet now. Cattails, strasberries. Strasberries grow all the way around. And then all of this water with all the fish poo and the bird poo. The birds like to come up here and land on the fence and swim. So they bring their own insects and poo for the fish. And this water gets real rich. The silt in that bucket I take out. And yeah, so there's a lot of movement in the water. A lot of aeration. And then I have a pump, a big pump down at the bottom that comes through that hose. Then it goes all the way down, and as you can see, my entire garden there has this white tubing with the planting sites, and I just put pots in all of those. And then my garden's obviously real tiny. It's like 3 feet wide, and then it opens up to about 4 foot wide, and then that back section's about 2 foot. But there's a soaker hose connected to that, and it runs the whole length, and then out the end it goes into another hose that is connected. Hey, you follow that back, it goes up to the gutter. But yeah, that runs the whole border of my garden downhill to that back fence. Back there's grapes growing on the fence, but there's a tube that comes out. There's a little strip of land out there that I grow on, just raspberries and stuff, strasberries. But the excess water, when this pump's running, it actually ends up in that same pipe. So it goes out to the alley. The overflow from the gutter does too. So, and then that pipe has holes all through it, so it waters, all the way around the whole garden border edge there. You can kind of see it there running by. Just old vacuum hose from my job. So anyway, getting back. Oh, there's some fish. You can see them, but yeah, there's some at the top. Hard to see, but the water will be perfectly clear by morning. Right now it's getting pretty clear. I don't know if you can really show up on the camera, but it is getting pretty clear. And I just like to sit here and listen to that sound. And that's filtering the water as it's running its cycles.